Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, Linh Fish Rolls wrapped in betel leaves. This is a rustic but extremely attractive dish with a characteristic aroma of Linh fish and betel leaves. How to make. Prepare ingredients. 500 g fresh Linh fish, choose fresh fish, not too big. 30 betel leaves, choose large, evenly colored leaves, not torn. 50 g pork belly. 1 shallot, chopped. 1 garlic, chopped. 3 green onions, cut the white part and green leaves into small pieces. Seasonings, sugar, seasoning powder, ground pepper, good fish sauce, cooking oil. Steps: clean the fish, remove the scales and intestines. Filter the fish meat or pound it very finely. If using small Linh fish, you can just wash it, drain it, then grind the bones and meat to take advantage of the sweetness and calcium. Wash the pork belly, dice it or chop it finely. Wash each lolot leaf, drain. Choose large, beautiful leaves to roll. Keep about 3 to 4 finely chopped lolot leaves to mix into the fish cake. Onion, garlic, peel, chop finely. Green onion, chop finely. Put the minced fish, pork belly / fat, minced shallot, minced garlic, finely chopped lolot leaves and green onion into a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce, depending on taste. Use your hands to mix well and knead/stir quickly and vigorously, so that the fish cake is chewy and sticky. Marinate the fish cake mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes to absorb the spices. Spread the lolot leaves on a flat surface, shiny side of the leaf facing down. Scoop a sufficient amount of fish cake, about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, and place it on top of the leaf. Fold the 2 edges of the betel leaves on both sides, then roll them up from the stem. Roll tightly so that the fish cakes do not come apart when frying/grilling. Arrange the fish cakes on the grill. Brush a thin layer of cooking oil on the surface of the cakes to prevent them from drying out and burning. Grill over hot coals, or oven/air fryer, over low to medium heat, turning all sides until the cakes are golden brown and fragrant. Presentation and enjoyment. Arrange the fried/grilled betel leaf wrapped Linh fish cakes on a plate. You can decorate with herbs, cucumbers, and tomatoes to make the dish more attractive. Enjoyment. This dish should be eaten while it is still hot. Dip it with a light chili sauce to enhance the deliciousness, or serve it with sweet and sour fish sauce. Eat it with fresh vermicelli and raw vegetables, all of which are very suitable. Things to note: choosing fresh Linh fish is the decisive factor in determining the deliciousness of the dish. Kneading the fish cake. Kneading, mixing and kneading vigorously. The fish cake is an important step to help the cake be chewy and delicious, not crumbly. Wrapping in the betel leaves, roll tightly and roll the shiny side of the betel leaves outwards so that the dish has a beautiful color when cooked and is less likely to tear. Fire. When frying or grilling, keep the heat moderate. If the heat is too high, the betel leaves on the outside of the fish cake will easily burn before the inside is cooked. Cake fish wrapped in betel leaves is a simple dish but has a unique flavor, often found in the provinces of the southwest, especially during the Linh fish season. Fresh Linh fish is finely ground or pounded, mixed with spices and then skillfully wrapped in green betel leaves. Then, the cake is grilled over charcoal or fried until golden brown. When cooked, the dish exudes the seductive aroma of fish cakes mixed with the essential oil of the betel leaves, creating an unforgettable combination. This dish is usually eaten hot, dipped with chili sauce or sweet and sour fish sauce. Both are delicious. Our video ends here. Thank you and see you again in the next episodes with many special recipes.